Now all you need for this is some crackers, any type. I've chosen one called Jats. Now get some pepperoni or salami, something like that, cut it into a triangle. That's going to be the hat. So you can place that there. Get some ricotta cheese, put it in something you can squeeze it out on preferably, and this will be the base of the hat. So you just spread that out, and the beard. Just use something to thicken the beard up a bit. I'll get some celery and cut it into thin pieces, like that. And for eyeballs, use a dried fruit, sultanas, raisins, something else. But if you use sultanas or raisins, cut them into a small size. There you go. Really simple. Just a good way to make a little snack around Christmas a little bit more than just a snack. And this is something that the whole family can get involved in.